Hello everyone, it's Paul from Clever Files here, and in this quick video I want to explain the difference between a quick and a deep scan in Disk Drill. Now, when you're ready to recover your files, clicking the universal recover button will go through all of the available scanning options, but you can also click on the gear icon and choose an individual scanning method. And the available methods vary depending on the type of disk or partition that you've selected. Now, the quick scan option simply grabs recently deleted files that are still available in your file system's cache, and the success level depends on your activity and the file system itself. So for example, with FAT32, this will produce many more files after a quick scan than HFS Plus or APFS. So if I quickly resume my last scan, here you can see some examples of what a quick scan will find for you. Now, with a deep scan, this works slightly differently, and actually reads every storage device as if it has no file system on it at all, and it recognizes file signatures and reconstructs files by pieces, and that's why it can't recover the original file names and locations. These algorithms will put recoverable data into different root folders in the scanning results, and so this is why you need to preview your files before recovery to verify a file's recoverability. So for example, you can drill down to individual files and preview. Disk Drill is much smarter than just quick and deep scans and implements multiple recovery methods depending on the file system and the type of the scan device. And so that's why we recommend using the universal recover button on the entire storage device to achieve the best recovery results. Thank you for watching this video, and remember, you can download Disk Drill for PC or Mac at cleverfiles.com.